Check out this Mercedes-Benz 2012 E-Class E 350 Sport BlueTEC. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include all-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, temporary spare tire, sun moonroof and generic sun moonroof. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.